now today let's start with chapter number 10, governing ourselves. So in this chapter you will learn about parliament, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and judiciary state government, forming the government and the president. So India is a large country and it is seventh largest in terms of area and second largest in terms of population. India has been divided into 28 states and 8 UT and it makes together India and Indian government that looks for the welfare and the defense of the whole country from central government or union government. Government at the state level, it's look for the welfare of the state. And if we talk about every state has its own government and the union government is governed by Union Government of India. So the Constitution of India has provided power and many rights to the state government, and central governments also help the state if the state face problem like कोई flood है, territorial attack है, famine है, इन सब चीजों को दिखता है. So if we talk about parliament, central government is headed by the prime minister, president and his council of ministers. It is the law-making body of the country. It has two houses, that is Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha, lower house of the parliament, and it can have maximum to 552 members, and they are elected by the people who are 18 years of age or above. Any citizen of India at the age of 25 or above can contest to become the member of Lok Sabha, which is called MP, that is member of parliament. Right? Now Rajya Sabha upper house है, इसमें 250 members हैं, they are elected by the member of Lok Sabha and State Assembly, and for the period of 6 years. 12 members are nominated by the president, वो special feats से होता है, right? And 1/3 of the members of the Rajya Sabha, they retired every 2 years or new members are added. Right? It is a permanent body. Now let's study about president, MP and MLAs together elect the president. Right? जो आपके MPs हैं और MLA हैं, दोनों एक साथ, it is the head of the country and supreme commander of the defense. Right? It holds the power and the head of the government. Forming a government or India, ये democratic country है. Democracy is the government for the people, by the people and of the people. Citizen of India can contest or fight election in independent candidate, leader of the party with majority, or elected member in the Lok Sabha is nominated by the Prime Minister of India. He chooses Council of Ministers, assist him for among the parties, and the president swears them to their respective office. Right? When single party does not get the majority, then many parties come together and what they form the government. और इसको क्या कहा जाता है? Coalition. State government, every state has a legislative assembly और विधान सभा. Member जो है वो elect किया जाता है by the people for the 5 years, and what we call them MLA. When the assembly election results are declared, the party that gets majority they form the government. और governor क्या होते हैं? Head होते हैं state. Right? And every state has its own governor. Right? Now the leaders of the majority party become a chief minister of the state. A governor is the head of the state. He is appointed by the president of India for 5 years. Now judiciary helps in maintaining the law and order in the country. It is an independent organ of the government. और जो highest judiciary body है वो Supreme Court है, and it is located in Delhi, and Chief Justice of India is the Supreme Commander and the highest justice of India. High Court से high judicial body है, state level पे होती है. Right? ये जो highest officers होते हैं states में, and each states have many district and every district has district and session court. और इसमें क्या होते हैं आपके session judge होते हैं, right? जो क्या होते हैं आपके head. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.